Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am Not Crabby, Crabby Pants. This is Roger. He gets crabby a lot. There was the morning his older brother ate the last frozen waffle. Roger was stuck eating cereal. So Roger got crabby, Roger got crabby. Then there was supposed to be a day in Roger's class. The day Roger's class was supposed to go to the zoo. We cannot go to the zoo in a thunderstorm, the teacher said. So Roger got crabby. And what about the day he fell asleep waiting for his favorite TV show to come on? His mom let him sleep through the whole thing. There was only one thing to do. Get crabby. You shouldn't be such a crabby pants, his older brother said. That made Roger even crabbier. Not crabby, he scribbled. I am not crabby. I am not crabby. I am not crabby. Before he knew it, Roger was sitting in the naughty chair. I am not crabby. I am not crabby. Roger thought about what his brother said. Something clicked. Crabby Pants. Roger thought of all the times he was crabby, what did they have in common? His pants! It was all clear now, and Roger knew what he had to do. The next morning, Roger showed his mom and dad how he solved his crabby problem. After all, said Roger, there's no such thing as crabby shorts. Roger's mom and dad were not happy, and soon Roger was crabby again. Maybe it wasn't my pants that was the problem, he thought. That night, Roger decided to take care of the Crabby Pants problem once and for all. The next morning, Roger's family discovered what he had done. Isn't this great? Now no one will ever get crabby again, said Roger. But he was wrong. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!